Welcome YouTube to another really quick air fryer recipe. This is for taco bites. All right, YouTube, so the thing you're going to want to do is take these pizza bites and you're going to want to just put them all in a single layer. Make sure you don't put them on top of each other. All right, YouTube, so make sure they're in a single layer. Push this in, and it's 4 minutes at 400 degrees. So we'll flip it halfway through. All right, YouTube. So you see that that's done. You see how crispy they are? So just flip them all over, and then we'll push it in again. All right, so you see those, YouTube, how crispy they are? Push it in, let it go for the 2 minutes, and I'll see you at the plate. All right, YouTube, and there you have it, your taco bites by that company. And look how crunchy they are. And look, that's what that looks like inside. So an air fryer can do lots of things. So if you like to see things cooked in the air fryer, like taco bites and other things, or you'd like to see other air fryer recipes, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, and see you at the next video.